All right, we've got gold continuing to do not much of anything as it attempts to rally into resistance before it proceeds lower, in my opinion, but remains to be seen what will actually happen. But before we go further, a quick word from our sponsor. This video is brought to you by XNES, the world's largest retail broker, offering ultra-fast execution with no overnight fees. Find a link in the description below. This is Bruce for FXEmpire, taking a look at the daily chart for gold. So the gold had been rising in this nice parallel channel. It broke out of the channel back a couple weeks ago now, back here, and then since pulled back, tested support at the top of the channel, resistance, becomes support, and broke through on Monday, I believe it was. Monday, yes. And so now we have the first swing back to test prior dynamic support, represented by the 20 moving average purple, as resistance, and we have the 10 period dropping below it today. So that is a short-term bearish sign. And once the rally completes up into the resistance, the expectation is for a continuation to the downside. It doesn't mean it will happen. I just think it will happen given how these things evolve. However, topside resistance would be this high right here at 4,161 in case this area right here is exceeded. If the 4,085, 4,086 is exceeded to the upside, then we're looking at a high resistance at 4,161. But we have to reassess because that would be a stronger sign, more bullish sign than otherwise seen because the moving averages would have been reclaimed along with this top channel line. On the downside, we're looking at the 50% retracement here at 3,846 as a lower target. If price does continue to go down, along with the 50 moving average here at 3,820. Since it is rising, it's soon to converge with the 50% retracement. And it's also possible that gold could just go sideways and chop around by the time the 50 gets up here and still test the 50, but not go much lower. So that's also a scenario we have to consider as well. All right, that is it for gold traders. Have a great weekend.